In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use user management in Monday.com. If you've ever found yourself struggling to manage your team effectively on Monday.com, you're in the right place. We'll walk through a simple process that will give you complete control over user management, ensuring that your team is always productive and organized. Let's begin by heading over to Monday.com. You'll want to open up your favorite browser and type in Monday.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. It's straightforward and you'll be directed to the login page. For this next step, you have a couple of options for logging in, but I'll guide you through doing it with Google. Click on the Google button and you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Select the one you wish to use with Monday.com. If everything goes smoothly, you'll be taken to your Monday.com dashboard, where the real fun begins. Now, let's focus on managing users. In the top right of your dashboard, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you want to look for an option labeled Teams. Click on this to proceed to the next step. Once you're on the Teams page, finding the Manage Users section is the next key step. This is located prominently on the page and should be easy to spot. Click on Manage Users, and you'll find yourself in a section dedicated to everything you need for managing user access. The Manage User interface is where you can control and adjust who has access to what within your organization. Here, you can add new users, assign roles, or perhaps remove users who no longer need access. It's a very intuitive section designed to give you full control with a few quick clicks. As we wrap up, remember that effective user management is crucial for maintaining a well-organized team structure in Monday.com. You now know how to navigate through your profile, access the Teams section, and manage user access effectively. While the process might seem straightforward, mastering these basic commands can greatly enhance your productivity and that of your entire team. There you have it, a simple, efficient way to manage users on Monday.com. Take some time to explore and get comfortable with these steps, and you'll be a pro in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps transform how you work with your team. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.